Hi everybody, it's Pit of the Potter again from Maggie Valley, North Carolina. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish this red bowl with wax resist. So we've got our red bowl here, and it's got a black trim and wax resist. I'm not sure if you can see the wax resist or not. Okay, and what we're doing is, you might want to know why I'm wearing gloves. Okay, that's a very good question, folks. Why I wear gloves is not to protect my beautiful hands. That's got nothing to do with it. What I'm doing with my gloves is since I use a lot of oxides and things like that in my pottery. When you wear gloves, your fingers have a certain amount of natural oil in them, and the oil is transferred to the pots. And you may not realize it, or like my son when he was in school, he used we use a lot of cobalt oxide as decoration. Well, when you touch that cobalt oxide with your bare hands, it transfers onto your hand. The next pot, if you don't wipe it with your hands off, the next pot you touch will have fingerprints from your hands. By wearing gloves, I usually use surgical gloves. These are sort of green surgical gloves, but not as fine as surgical gloves. But what's happened here is we grab the glove and there's no fingerprints left. And also, you usually don't get much blue transfer, which helps in your glazing process. All right, so we're going to high speed this thing up real quick here. Pop the red over black with a wax resist pattern. Our glazing tongs. I was giving you a little trip the other day about glazing and using tongs. I wet the tongs to try to keep them from adding spots. Okay, we're going into the glaze now. Here we go. Straight down. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 6 1,000. Alrighty, here it comes out of the glaze. It's already starting to set. Okay, we're hazing over, so we're going in for the second count. Here we go. 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Okay, here we come out. Glazing tongs. Letting the pot dry out. Holding it, holding it, holding it. Okay, we're going to grab the bottom here, support the bowl, and now we're going to set this bowl over here with the glaze on it, as you can see. We're going to set it down on the shelf. Now, that second coat with the wax just put on the pot, I think what we'll do is we'll take this camera off the stand here real quick and show you what happened here. Okay, recording. Let's see. Whoops. What happened? Whoops. Boy, I hope I didn't mess that up. Anyway, here's the glazed pot with the wax resist on it. And then as the next one over here, you can see with the red, the blue and red, the red on top and blue on the bottom. Same thing with the mug. And then we'll get to doing these guys later. Alrighty, so we're giving you some ideas on wax resist and double dipping pots and things like that. This is Pit of the Potter in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. pitofthepotter.com.